So 10/23, February 23rd of 2023. I don't think Nike could have did anything better than this shock drop today. We're going to talk about it, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in. You guys already see the thumbnail and the title. Yes, they shock drop. And it's crazy because I literally was just talking about these Air Jordan 3 White Cements shock dropping. I gave y'all a couple of hints in yesterday's video, and I hope a couple of you guys kind of caught on. And I retweeted as soon as I seen that they did shock drop on the Nike SNKRS app. It was weird, right? Like, you would never expect for a shock drop to be in the middle of the day at 10:23. Like, you probably expect to come at like the top of the hour at 11 or even 10 o'clock, but no, 10:23 today them boys drop. Man, you guys know this has to be the sneaker of the year. When we see shock drops and exclusive access and stuff like that, the resale goes down. The demand is so outrageous for these Air Jordan 3 White Cements. It's getting out of hand now. Like, if you go on StockX right now, the price went up from yesterday's video. So yesterday's video, I put a screenshot up and it had, I think, $350. Now for my size 9, they're going for over $400. And yes, 50,000 pairs did shock drop, unlike the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found shock drop. I think it was like 100-something thousand pairs, if I'm not mistaken, or 90,000 pairs. I forget what I put on the thumbnail, but it's like 90-something thousand pairs, and they only get 50,000 for these white cement Air Jordan 3. So that got me thinking, like, what's the actual stock number on these white cements? You feel me? Like, I don't know if it's a lot of pairs. I don't know if it's a limited run. But maybe Nike's peeping, like, you know what I'm saying? People saying, oh, they dropping mid. So they're going to limit these releases, you feel me? When I say limited, I ain't going to say, like, you know, 20,000 pairs or nothing like that. But usually when we get major GRs, like a Bread 11, like a He Got Game 13, like the Playoff 13s, it's a lot of pairs. And you can literally go in any mall the day of the release and see some pairs are still sitting. Foot Locker know that they're going to sell it eventually. But it's nothing to worry about, you know, resellers coming in, snagging up 15 pairs, nothing like that, because the resale value is so low. But these right here, I don't think it's going to be a resale killer. I definitely don't think these 3 is going to be a resale killer. I think back to all the past Air Jordan 3s we got, it's been nothing like this. So maybe this whole reimagined thing that Jordan is running with is doing great for them. And I love to see it. Like, I love to see it. Like, even though I didn't hit today, I'm not mad at all. I hope you guys did hit. And if you did, man, let me know down below in the comment section. But I'm liking what I'm seeing, bro. Like, the hype is coming back. Not so much as resale. I don't care about resale. I'm going to put that out right now. Let's dispel that rumor that I care about resale, because I don't. The lower the resale, the better for me, because if I like a sneaker, who wants to pay $500 or arm and leg for a sneaker? Nobody, you feel me? So hopefully with this upcoming release on March the 11th, $210 on the retail tag, we can actually get a pair. Hopefully I can secure a dub. Lately on Flex apps, SNKRS app, your boy been striking out. And even today on the Nike SNKRS app, I went on there, you know what I'm saying? I seen it right at the top of the hour, 10:23, or not top of the hour, right on time at 10:23. I put in for my, you know, my size and everything like that, but it kept giving me an error messages. So I had to literally sign out of my account, refresh it, go back onto it, and then finally enter for you know, regular size 9. And I even went for a GS pair there. You have to scroll down below when you seen GS pairs there, put a couple of screenshots up, and your boy took a L. I felt like I was too late. People that's probably on desktop, probably the ones that got that dub, because the first tweet that I did see was from Site Supply, if I'm not mistaken, and then I seen J23. But they on Safari on your phone, everything is like bugged out. Like, I don't know what's going on with that. If I was on my laptop, I would have been G to G. You feel me? I'm already logged in. I would have instantly clicked my size, payment, and all that good stuff. But hey, when you got a 9 to 5, you ain't got the ability to be on, you know what I'm saying, your MacBook cooking up pairs on these shock drops that we have been seeing. And one more thing I want to point out, man, this might not be it. We might see another shock drop. We might see that shock drop in the form of an exclusive access. Let me clear that up. We might see an exclusive access coming up soon. We've seen that in the past. We've seen sneaker passes. We've seen sneaker vaults, all types of stuff for these crazy, you know, releases. We see, I think it was like 2-3 drops of the Lost and Founds before the actual release, and you guys know how that went. It went bad. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, this drop doesn't go as terrible as it did on the shock drop. I know some people said it went smooth for them, but for me, it went terrible. I went on my Twitter, checked on, you know, how they was feeling after the drop. Some people said they couldn't even enter. Some people said they kept getting error messages, and I was in that same boat. So your boy was salty as hell. I ain't gonna cap with y'all. So let's go ahead and check StockX real quick. Make sure I ain't tripping, because when I checked after the drop, I swear it was like 400, but let me go ahead and clear that up real quick. Go over on StockX and see, you know what I'm saying, how much these things going for. Yes, in a size 9, they're going for, the lowest ask is $425. Now, I'll put a screenshot up, it's kind of bright, but bro, it was just going for like 3 something yesterday. So the hype is still there. Everybody wants them. It's not going to be an easy release. Like I keep telling y'all, it's going to be a problem. Like when you get shoes like this, and it's crazy because it's top of the year. You know what time it is, right? Tax time. It's gonna be like the tax time Air Jordan 3. It's gonna be one of them Jordans that everybody going after. People that probably don't even like Jordans, they got a little extra funds, so they're gonna drop that bag on these, you know, reimagines. It's crazy, but it's how it is in the community. I remember back when, I forget what shoe it was, but everybody was calling them, you know, the tax time this, tax time that, because everybody got a couple extra dollars. They want to spend a little bit of extra money. And it sucks that the reimagined 3s have to be around this time. So if people got extra money, they're gonna be buying these pairs up, and it's not gonna just be you in the fight. It's not gonna just be OGs in the fight. Don't be mad out there, you feel me? Your boys take an L too, but it's how I go. You know what I'm saying? L's come and go, W's come and go, and sneakers come and go. So it's gonna be a couple more of these crazy releases this year. And if I can think off the top of my head which gonna be the next runner up for, you know, the crazy drop, it has to be the Air Jordan 11 DMPs. Even though I'm not that excited for it, I know it's a lot of people out there that love the Air Jordan 11 DMPs. So yeah, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you took a W or L on these Air Jordan 3 White Cements. I'm very interested in knowing. If you guys want to, you know what I'm saying, see a giveaway, I did on my yesterday's video. It's a lot of giveaway, man. So drop giveaway down below in the comment section. I'm gonna try to team up with one of your favorite YouTubers to give back a pair of, you know, Air Jordan 3 White Cements, the sneaker of the year. I think it'd be good to give back and also show support. You guys has been supporting our channel, so you guys stay tuned for that. For all the rules and details coming very, very soon. Trust and believe that. And man, can we just take a little extra look at these, man? It must be me, bro, because I've been gassing these things up ever since I unboxed them. I love this colorway right here. I don't know what it is. It gave me like cool grade 1 vibes. Got the suede all around toe box. Got that kind of lost and foundish sail off-white midsole. And these things is just gas, bro. I love them. Can't wait to throw them on feet. Reviewing on feet coming very, very soon. If you want to check out the unboxing I did, I'm going to link it down below in the description box. You have to tap in, get a couple extra detailed looks of these things and see if you're going to be rocking out with them when they do release this upcoming summer. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch y'all in next video, man. Peace.